Oh, sorry, I forgot to unmute. So, hello everyone, welcome to my stream. This is my first stream in a while. Just like what happened, there might be a few glitches in the stream. So, before I get started, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be making the website on repl.it. So before I do that, I'm going to create a Discord server. So you have to sign up for Discord if you want to make this bot. I'm going to say bot testing. Then I'm going to hide my screen for a while before I can create my Discord application. So I'll just say Discord bot portal, search it, Discord API. So we're going to go into applications, new application, let's just call it currency bot, create. I'm just going to hide my, go to bot here, say add, I'm going to click yes, do it, but before that I'm going to hide my screen for a second. Okay, I am inviting the bot. So I'm just going to show my screen again. Authorize it as an administrator, not too hard. Please select each image containing a train. That should finish the captcha, and we are done. I think the bot should be here. Yes. Okay, so once that's done, that should have the administrator role, as I just gave it that. Then here I'm going to copy the bot's token. Again, I'm going to hide that on stream. Then I'm going to go into the repl.it database secrets and paste it in here. Before I do that, I'm going to have to hide my screen again. I am going to delete this bot application after the stream and use a new one. So I'm going to add the secret, and I think you can see my screen again. So we have our secrets here. So that's the readme.md. We are not going to need that. Don't delete either of these files. I'm using the Python Discord bot template, the one with these files, to so that when the program hibernates, I can ping it from a website and reopen it. This is a Flask website, by the way. You don't need to edit anything here. So instead of this, I'm going to type os.environ, I think, and type token. Okay, and if I run this, we should check here. The bot should come online. Okay, it's currently installing all the files. Just a second. I'm going to hide my screen until it installs all the packages. Okay, the bot has come online. I'm going to share my screen now. So as you can see, the bot should come here saying that it's online. Currently the bot doesn't do anything, so we're going to give it some functionality. Before that, I'm going to search for discord.py. Making a discord bot with Python, and if we see right here, you should find one on real Python's website. Yeah, so here I'm going to take some starter code and modify it so that we don't take too much time. I am going to explain it, of course. So here we're importing the OS module, and we're only using it to get our secret token from here. Token. I'm not going to show you the token right now. This change this to your Discord author ID, but I'm not going to show that right now so that I don't get spam. So you can omit this for now. Then this is the command prefix. So if you've used Discord bots in the past, you could say something like you could use a prefix. In this case it's the exclamation mark, and if I say help like this, the bot would send a message with all the available commands. So after that we have extensions. You can ignore this. Then this is ensuring that the file is being run, all the files, these two Python files. Then it's going to activate this file so that we can, every time we ping this, it runs this file. So repl.it, after an hour I think of inactivity, the bot starts hibernating. But if it's a website, then you can ping the website and restart it, right? So for example, if your bot goes offline, all you have to do is open this URL in a new tab, and then it'll say waking up repl. So right here, I'm going to scroll all the way down to .bot commands prefix. Yeah, so I'm going to copy. So you can see that there is a lot of as you can see right here, we have our Discord bot created for us. So case insensitive is true, and unless you must change that, don't. So as you can see here, we have the on ready. It says I am in. You can send it change it to anything you want. So here if you're doing this locally, then you'll have to create a .env file. Do you want me to post this in the chat? I've posted that link in the chat. So you can look here. This is I'm sharing this so that you know how to do it if you're doing it locally. I do have Visual Studio Code open, but since I want to host this for a long time and preferably not on my computer, I'm doing this on repl.it. It's now changed to repl.com. So we can create a command. So if we use this, just until that part, I'm going to explain what it does once we paste it in here. So if we do that, paste. So the name of the command is 99. You can change it to whatever you want, and then it's the help. It says help is equal to, right? So we're not going to use random.choice. We're instead going to set this to hello the human. Not going to use that either. Let's just change our variable. So this is the help command. So now right now, if we do send help, let's stop this and run it over and over again. It's sent the message here already. So if we type help, bot has no author ID. Bot has no attribute author. Oh yeah, since we removed that code, we're getting this error. So let me just quickly put it into an env and put it in here. So bot dot author, I think, is equal to sort environ author ID. So you're going to go into secrets and put it in here. So I'm going to say author ID, and let me just hide my screen since I don't want too much spam. So if you right click on yourself in Discord, then you should get the option to copy your ID. But this only works if in your Discord settings you've enabled developer mode. So let me quickly enable that. Let me quickly copy paste my token. And paste. So now let me share my screen again. Now that that's done, sorry, I was lagging out a bit. Let's copy it. Yeah, so this command isn't going to be really helpful right now, so we're going to replace it with extensions is equal to so clients.command and end it. So you can get rid of this for now. Though they are quite similar, we're going to stick with this client.command as it is easier to understand. Okay, so right here, let's just put a pass so that it doesn't, and instead he changes to bot.command. So we're going to ignore that. So this bot.command, so if we say something like help, let's change it to help, and ctx, that's all the information about the message, and which includes the time that the message was sent, the message itself, whether it was edited or not, who its author was, all the information that you could possibly get from the message. Just a second, I'll need to hide my screen again. Okay, I can show my screen again. So one thing I forgot to mention was CTX doesn't mean the message itself. It also allows you to send your own message. So let's say help is our message, or let's say hello, and then you say ctx.send, and then here you can put in any message. I say hello to you too. So if we stop the server, and as you can see, it said the REPL is online. So second, where are we getting author ID? Not just a second, I'm going to paste my author ID in again. Maybe it was incorrect. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Maybe we should set this to client is equal to discord.client, and so we're creating the client for our bot, and then bot is equal to client.bot, I think. Just a second, I'm gonna hide my information again. And on line just a second, you're also going to have on line 2 or wherever you want, someplace on line 2 I've said import discord. So maybe this should, let's just comment this out. That's not JavaScript. Run this again. It's updating everything since we had stopped the server manually. I'm going to hide my screen until that finishes. Okay, I think it has finished. Not yet. We're just going to check here. The bot is offline. Let me just verify with my other bot to make sure that all of other code is working correctly. Oh, we forgot this, and it's not client, it's discord dot commands discord dot from discord.ext import commands and tasks. So commands dot bot. I don't think client is needed. So commands dot bot, and let's just add command prefix. I think this isn't a necessary data value as well. Command prefix, not prefix. Command prefix. Let's run the server again. Yeah, and if I say help, error, bot has no attribute author ID. Where are we invoking this? Author ID. Should we verify? Client dot client, and this is one of my older bots. Lately I've been doing all of my bots on Visual Studio Code locally, not on the cloud. Sorry, I had to navigate to a different application back then. So command prefix is equal to 1. Client.command, client.event. Let's just copy this for now. Let's load that in as well. If I say bot.load extension, shouldn't we have bot right here? Client.command. Let's just try something here. And ctx dot send hello. Okay, so let's run this again. We're looking for bot. Oh no, that's a simple fix. Maybe we should set this to, I don't know, client dot run token, right? Client dot run the token, and client dot load extension. So that's our Discord client. Stop and restart. Just a second. Let me just copy my stream. Tanmay, I'm using repl.it. So if we run this, wait, did we get an error? No, we didn't. So let's type help again. I'm guessing we have another tiny error. Now, why is it continuously asking for my author ID? But you know what? Client, not there, too early. Client dot ID. That's it. I don't really think that's useful. Client dot author ID is equal to, you know what, I'm just going to show it on stream, there's no problem. I am going to go to advanced developer mode. So this is what you needed to do. So let's not do that. Right click, copy ID. Don't even care anymore. Stop. Run again. I really hope that it doesn't have a problem with my ID again. Help out please. Help. Did we get an error? Okay, we didn't get an error. Developer commands, developer commands. What else? Cog. Okay, let me just check. Help. Once again, isn't it saving my file? Are we still stuck on that old file? Hide it, Control S. Help. Type the. I think we should use something else. Oops. That could have been our issue all along. That's going to restart the REPL. That's command help is already registered. Let's do help me or hello. Let's ignore that help command for now. Must be some discord.py thing. A new update, most likely. Sorry, hello, right? No, not that. Enable trace. You know what, I'm just going to say ctext ctx.send response. That is, you know what, I'm going to copy this, paste it in here. Maybe we'll see a difference. JSON not needed, discord.txt needed, request module not needed, OS module is needed. Just import all of this. What online is sync, and I'm going to run token. Oh, we should use await. That's something I totally forgot. So await, how could I forget that? ctx dot send hello. So if we say hello, it says hello back to us. Stop, restart. Control C can stop it as well. It says bot online. Now let's say hello. Do we get a response? I do hope I have the correct bot secret. We did just say ctx.send. Finally, must have been lag. So if we say hello again, it should say hello back to us again. So we're going to stream this some other time. Just a second. I think someone is spamming the chat. Okay, so since that's working, let's move over to the next command. So let's change this to help. I do have an idea of what commands we are going to use. We are also going to use our repl database. So if you do not know how to use any database, if you do not know how to use any database like the repl.it database, then you'll probably have to learn one, because storing information on the RAM, if you restart the app, all the data is gone. So we are going to use the repl.it database, and we are still getting spam. Now that we have done this, we can move on to making our help command. So let's create an embed. So let's say help underscore embed is equal to discord dot embed. Our title is equal to placeholder title, and description is equal to placeholder description. Save that, and instead we're going to say embed is equal to embed. Okay, so help embed is equal to help embed. Okay, I'm just going to restart my bot. Cannot import name D. Import DB. That's an error. Run the app again. So second, let me invite a few other people. Command help is already registered. You know what? Help me seems like something good. We can change maybe in the next stream. This is just part 1 of a few. So if we run this again, running it again, we have 6 concurrent viewers. Everyone please subscribe and invite others, to the stream, probably the next one as well. So we are online. So if I say help me, so we have placeholder title and placeholder description. Now I want to change this color, so we'll do that and end the stream for today. So if I'm not wrong, I say color is equal to, can I say red? Let's restart the bot, stop and restart. Okay, I think it's going to work. Let's type help me int or embed. You know what, let's just go for HTML hex color codes. You know what, let's not just say HTML, otherwise it might be different. Color hex codes. Let's go for something like yellow or orange. I'm going to go for this color. Chat, does anyone want me to send the color code? Does anyone want me to send the color code in chat? I've sent it. Color code is okay, so color is this, and oh no, we do not want it to be that. It's commented out everything. Let's search Python color codes. I think those are different. Maybe we'll do this in the next stream. So I think we can end the stream for now. So where did we leave off today? Let's remove this. It's giving us an error. We can't send discord.color is an object. We'll try that next stream, so stay tuned. You can come to my discussions page and check for when the next stream is. So until then, thank you everyone. I'm going to stop the program. Okay, and I think that marks the end of the stream. So if you didn't throughout the stream, yes, I do recommend using Brave Search, but it's still in beta, so not yet. I'm just going through the chat. When is your next stream? You can check the discussion page, but you'll have to follow me to get pinged. And if we get enough subscribers, I'll check for when we do have it. I did do a face reveal last stream. I think there's a small latency. I think around a couple minutes. So stay tuned for the next stream. So you'll have to check my discussions page for that. And if you haven't already throughout the stream, please like, subscribe, and share the channel. Bye. So thank you.